guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plan with me. I think that this might actually be the last plan with me on this channel. Don't hate me. So I think I'm gonna move my new release video and my plan with me's back to my Sticky Situations co-channel, just because I feel like they kind of don't really fit with what I'm trying to do with this channel. So I think that I'm going to try that out and do that. I know a lot of people said just keep it here, but a lot of people also said move it. So I think that I'm going to try that out. If you want to subscribe to that channel, I'm going to have it linked down below. You can check it out. But yeah, I think that this might be my last plan with me on this channel. I'm so sorry guys, but just bear with me. I'm still just trying to figure out what I'm doing with this channel and where I want it to go. And as I grow and gain more followers, I want to make sure that I'm providing content that everybody kind of likes. And so I just feel like not everybody likes the planner videos, not everybody likes the new release videos, and I feel like those would be better on my business YouTube. I almost said Instagram, my business YouTube. So that is where I'm gonna move everything and kind of see how that goes. Let's just get into this. I'm gonna show you guys, so my sweet friend who is the owner of Sweet Tea Plans sent me these stickers, and it's just it was so exciting. So I'm gonna use them finally. I've had them for a little while now, but I haven't been able to use them. Not that I haven't been able to use them, but I haven't used them yet because I was waiting until like I felt like I was gonna do some spring cleaning, and I'm hoping to kind of do that this week. So I figured I would use this kind of spring cleaning kit, but I wanted to show you all the goodies that she sent me in this video, and then I'm also going to do a plan with me. So first up, I have these cute little acai bowls. You guys know, well maybe you don't know, but I love acai bowls. And as soon as my acai bowl place opens back up here, I'm gonna be going and getting one because I have missed it so much. And of course, like I wasn't craving one until everything shut down, and now I just really want one. Then we have some avocado toast, and one is just like a regular plain one, and then one has like a face on it. I've never actually had avocado toast, but I think that these would be cute to use as like a brunch sticker, or, you know, even like, I don't know, just any type of food like date kind of thing that involves breakfast or brunch would be really cool. There's actually like a brunch place close to my house, and when the world opens back up, a friend and I are gonna go try it out. So I could definitely use this for that. And maybe one day I'll try avocado toast. I don't know. Then you have these little acai bowls with the face on them. They're so cute. Pizza stickers, which I've been eating a lot. Too much pizza, actually. So I can definitely find use for this. Then we have burgers and fries. Look at how cute they look, you guys. And then some soda or pop. I actually call it pop. But where I live right now, everybody calls it soda, but I'm from the Midwest and we call it pop. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys say soda, or do you say pop, or do you call it Coke, or do you call it soda pop? Like, what do you call it? Let me know in the comments. And then you have popcorn, which is perfect. We've been having a lot of movie nights, so popcorn is a must for movie night. Then we have these little pretzels, corn dogs, hot dogs. These would be cute for like a fair or something. I don't even know if we're gonna have a fair this year because I feel like everything keeps getting canceled like way far in advance. So we will see. But I just thought those were really cute, and I was so grateful that she sent those to me, and it was just so sweet. So those are like all the food stickers, and then she sent this kit, which is just perfect for like spring cleaning. So I'm guessing that this is like the little freebie that comes with it, but I love this. I love that there's like a clean these stickers, and like look at how cute that looks. And then some extra full boxes. Then you have your functional sheet, and I like that she included 2 weekend banners because you could really use it and stretch it out if you wanted to. And then there's some headers, some little things, some full box checklist, sidebar checklist Monday through Sunday, some little mini checklists, some date covers, half boxes, bill due stickers, habit trackers, work stickers, currently reading, binge watching. Then you have the washi sheet, which I love that there's like a thinner washi and like a thicker one. And then your full boxes, and some more like labels, and then glitter. I almost said glitter washi. No, glitter headers. So that is what the kit looks like. It's really, really cute. I will link the shop down below so that way you can check it out if you are interested. And let's get into this plan with me. So the first thing that I want to mention, because I didn't mention this in the very beginning, but I wasn't sent this to do a review on it whatsoever. I was not asked to do a YouTube video. I want to throw that out there and make that clear, because I do get a lot of emails a lot of the times asking if a sticker shop can send me their products for a review and shout me out on YouTube. And I always tell them no, and there are a couple reasons for that, but the main one is that, well, one, I don't want somebody to send me a product and I don't actually like it, but I feel like I have to like give them a shout out on YouTube. I want to be like honest with you guys. I don't want to say, oh, this is a great product when I don't really like it and I'm not going to use it, you know? So I never want to do that. But also I have had sticker shops pay me to help them and like coach them and get them started in the sticker world. And I have not like showcase their product on my channel or anything like that. So I don't feel like it's fair to those people who have paid me to have people just send me stuff for free and me talk about it because they wanted me to, if that makes sense. So I wanted to make that clear. Like, this was not sent to me because you know, she wanted to shout out or anything like that. Is literally just because we're friends, and so she was just sending me some happy mail, and it was so kind of her. And I genuinely was so excited to use this kit in this plan with me. I think it is beautiful, and I would definitely recommend her stickers. So I wanted to throw that out there just in case you guys were wondering if you've ever been one of those people who's emailed me. And you know, I know it's hard to get like started in the sticker world, but I don't know. That's not something that I'm interested in doing. I'm not interested in just shouting people out just because. If I actually purchase your product and use it, then I don't mind talking about it if I like it and I've purchased it. But I just don't feel right about people like sending me free stuff and me talking about it just because they want a shout out. And that's just not something that I'm comfortable with, and I don't want to lose the trust of my viewers because you know, somebody sent me free stuff and wanted me to give them a shout out. So anyway, so yeah, I was just sent this as a gift. It was so nice and kind of her, and I love this kit so much, you guys. It's so pretty. It's like so springtime, you know, and spring cleaning, and like I said, trying to do a lot of that. So let's get into what I have planned for this week. I have a lot of sticker work that I need to do. I had orders from the weekend because I had a sale going on, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for your continued support. I know that things are not easy right now during this crazy time, but you guys have still been supporting my shop, and to be honest with you guys, April has been the best month so far this year, and I'm actually like really blown away by that because you know, I know things are like really hard right now and people are, you know, not working because of all of this, and so I really thought that April was just gonna be dead, you know, and you guys have still continued to support me even in all of this, and I just want to say thank you so much. Like, it's not something that I take lightly or anything like that, and I know other shop owners are just as grateful for the continued support, and I know not everybody can, you know, buy stickers right now, and that is 100% okay. You know I still feel the love from people even if they're not ordering. Like, I still just feel that love and support, and it just means so much to me. So thank you guys so much for that. I'm also working on the course that I've been talking about, trying to outline it and get everything ready. So many people said that they would be interested in purchasing my course on how to design certain stickers in Silhouette, and that means so much to me also, and I am trying to outline it and make it just the best that it can be for you guys. Obviously, if you're gonna pay for something, I want it to be like worth every penny. So I'm trying to outline, I'm trying to figure all of that out and how I want to do all of this. But the comments and the feedback that I've gotten have like made me so excited to like do this. And so yeah, it's happening. I'm working it out. So I'm definitely gonna be working on that this week, trying to outline everything and figure out when I want to put it up and how I'm going to get there and all of that stuff. I feel a little overwhelmed by it, but I am really excited. So stay tuned because that is happening, and It's gonna be awesome. And then other than that, I am working on a bunch of YouTube videos as well. So lots of content coming for you guys, and I'm just really, really excited and grateful that I can continue to work and stay busy during this time. And it's all because of you guys. So thank you so much for just supporting me. So that's really all that I have planned for this week. It's just a heavy work week on top of doing a lot of spring cleaning, which you guys will see that in future videos coming hopefully soon. So that's what's going on in my life. I would love to hear in the comments what you have going on in your life. Like, tell me something that you're happy about, you're excited about, something good that's happening in your life. I would love to hear. I definitely think we need more positivity on the internet and just in the world in general. So I would love to hear how you guys are doing, and I hope that you guys are doing well and are staying safe and just hanging in there. One day at a time, we're gonna get through this. So leave a comment telling me what you guys are up to and something happy, positive. Just tell me in the comments. Let me know. Okay guys, so this is what the finished spread looks like. Obviously, there's still a lot to fill out. I don't quite know everything that's gonna happen this week, so I'm just kind of gonna fill it out as I go. But I filled out what I did know, and you know, that's what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you will subscribe to Sticky Situations Co. Like I said, the link's gonna be in the description box, because I'm gonna be bringing plan with me's and new releases and other types of planner videos on that channel. And I just feel like that is gonna be the best thing for my business and my YouTube channel, because even though they are kind of one and the same, they're also they're very different. They're separate from each other, and I want to like have cleaning content and lifestyle content on this channel, and then I want to have more of like building my business as far as like new release videos and plan with me's and stuff, showcasing stickers for my shop and all of that on a different channel. I'm still going to be showing you guys behind the scenes videos and talking about how to build a sticker business on this channel, but I'm also going to incorporate more lifestyle content on this channel and make it more of a lifestyle channel and not so much of a kind of all over the place channel. It's like you watch one video and I'm cleaning, and the next video I'm selling you guys my stickers and that sort of thing. And I just kind of want to figure out what I'm doing on this channel, and I just think it's best if the Sticky Situations Co content goes on the Sticky Situations Co channel. So hopefully you guys will follow me over there. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.